hey, are you having a hard time hearing sounds around you as you get older, whether it's the television or conversations with people around you? I've got something for you here. These are hearing aids, and it's essentially amplifies the sound. If you really don't have a lot of money to spend on really expensive hearing aids, these are worth checking out. They're value priced, and it may be exactly what you need. So let me show you kind of, first of all, what comes with it. This is the hearing aids with the box. So it actually charges in the box itself. This is your USB charger. You can actually plug this in. Here's a brush to clean things off with a towel as well. And then you have these little things as well, these inserts to be able to get exactly the fit you're looking for. It's an ergonomic fit. They charge in 1.5 hours. And if you have any issue, there's also sales support that will help you as well. Just you'll get that information that comes with whenever you buy the product. So let me show you what these look like here. So first of all, you pull this out, and this part here goes in your ear. Okay, so there's two of them, of course. This goes in your ear. This is the part that goes behind your ear, and it's very simple to control. You have an up, you have a volume up and down by just pressing these and these. So you'll be able to, while it's in your ear, you can just control that volume, or you can do it before you put it in your ear as well. So my mother-in-law is here, and she's actually going to show you how these work. I'm really excited to show you this, and she'll show you how it fits in her ear and everything. So I was giving these return for review. Glad to have these. And if you're having a hard time hearing, these are definitely something that's worth checking out.
Okay, we're going to show you how to put them on. You just put the receiver in the back and then take the tip and put it down in your ear canal. You kind of have to push it with one of your finger to get it down in there where you can hear. And whenever you get it in, if you see that it's not loud enough, there's a button on the back. You can just push the bottom one that raises the volume. If it's too loud, push the top and it lowers the volume. And just put the other one in the same way over the ear, and then just push it in and get it the fit right. And there are different tips that come with it that some people's ear canals are larger and they need a larger tip, and some are smaller. So that's all there is to it.